Welcome back to 10 Minutes in the Ranch.
We're here today at my new house.
Forever home.
Well, Chris is calling it my forever home. But yeah, we've had a big weekend. It was the whole extension here was not on Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
So we're going to do some...
building a deck here. Aren't we, Dale?
No, we're
deck
not.
overlooking the neighbour's house.
And the shed.
There's some stuff here. It's a little mess.
There's some stuff. It's just a bit of a mess, but we've got some stuff sorted. As you would have seen in the last video, I'm pretty sure we walked just in the house in the last video.
Yeah. We done a little quick scan, I think. It was a couple months ago, but
yeah,
we haven't started. We only started on this last weekend.
So the week before they cleaned it all out. And then last weekend we ripped the walls down, ripped the bathroom out.
Put new flooring in.
We got a whole floor set up. Extension on there so we can put the kitchen. It's just all me doing it. Dad didn't do anything.
I haven't had to do much.
Maybe Dad was the main
I've been slashing.
Main guy, but no, it's pretty cool.
I've been spraying and slashing. We built a spray unit.
We're farmers now.
Farmed up, baby.
But yeah, she's a lot different to the last time you seen her.
This is Dale's kitchen. Just in here. You want to show me your kitchen, Dale?
It is not my kitchen.
It's Dale's kitchen.
That's the throne, mate.
He's going to start drinking.
Black Death, that thing.
Him and Reese Walsh going to drink out of it together.
But yeah, all the rooms are cleaned out. We've last weekend we jacked the house up and put steel all under there because the wood.
There's my phone charger.
The wood was all rotted. That is Brock Gardner. You can blame for that.
Fucking pig, eh? How many little that?
Stinks.
It does stink, man. Last week I nearly screw up every time I look at him.
But yeah, a little bit more cleaning up to do. Just leftover stuff.
You know what corner this is? Dale's cut corner.
Kids watch this, you idiot.
What?
Kids watch this. Bathroom is gone.
This is Dale's drawing. Dale drew this when he was a kid.
He did not draw that.
You're right, you're not that talented. Loser.
What an idiot.
Bloody loser.
But yeah, we've come a long way in a couple of days.
We're not changing the bathroom either. It's staying exactly like this.
Yeah,
Did you show him the bathroom?
Yeah, I did.
Show him the hole.
The hole?
It's a long drop.
We're actually getting rid of the toilet. We're just going to have a long drop in there.
I reckon you joined the toilet in there. I'm still about that.
It's like India. Just shit down a hole.
Put a little retainer wall around it.
Little squat pad.
Hose in here, hose it out.
I couldn't squat though. So
That's random though.
That's where the vanity's sat.
Yeah, it's just chilling above the concrete.
Yep, it's chill like that.
Okay, you want to show them your bath?
I'm not.
You know what you got to sell?
I do have to sell a bath.
Sucks when you suck at scissors, paper, rock.
Yeah. There's an outside.
Dark.
Where's the outside light? I've got the camera, you idiot.
Yeah, no, it's still funny.
Chris just dacked me. Typical Chris bullshit.
I got a tree out.
Yeah, we dug a big hole there. No.
No outside light?
No, there is. The bath is over there.
That's a septic tank, bro.
No, there's a bath on top of it, you idiot.
I believe you.
What an idiot.
But yeah, we're going to refibre the roof.
Yeah, we're going to re-gyprock the roof. Come down, cover that all in.
One
Kitchen will go in from the window there, round to there. Fridge in the hole.
Oh, that was my design.
He's full of shit. But we're practically builders.
Yeah, we weld everything together.
Yeah, we're great builders. As long as we can weld it, it's good.
Dad's a woodwork guy. Dale's not.
I'm not the woodwork guy. Dad, you the woodwork guy?
Yeah, I'll take the woodwork stuff. Oh, when we were pulling this apart, because Dad put this together when he was a kid. When he was about 12. This, were you here for this, Dale?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. Have a look. It's bolted up.
This nut's fresh.
No, it's not.
It's a fresh nut from somewhere else. Because someone forgot to bolt it on.
I was only a kid back then, and it was
Yeah,
there. Check,
and you would have yelled at us if we done that.
check how tight it is.
It's still finger tight.
No, it's tight.
This is Dale's bit of entrepreneur welding out here.
I think I did pretty good.
Oh, we don't want to get the end frame back in.
Considering I'm not a builder. The only reason we don't have the end all finished off is because we ran out of gas.
True farm fashion.
Pick the sledgehammer up as well.
Can't we just leave both on the ground?
We do.
Oh yeah. Still a lot
Coming
of...
along alright. It's Dale's forever home. I'm going to build a spa in one of the rooms.
Don't even listen to Chris. He's an idiot.
Dad, he wants a spa, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And a deck out the front. Big deck out the front there with wheelbarrows.
I'm still thinking about the deck.
You could be decked up.
Could wrap around deck.
No. Just one.
I want my deck there though.
Yeah, you're not getting it. You're going to pay me for that deck too. It's 1,200 cash.
I actually don't care. In case you were wondering.
Mate, I got it. I stole it fair and square.
But, yeah. Honestly, not too bad for a couple of mechanics.
No, we could say builders now. We built one house. Dad, how's your house holding up?
Good.
Me and Jim built that, Dale, didn't it?
Just don't look too close to the worlds either. It's all painted.
Jacks in there, a couple of jacks and Nick.
Jack Daniels.
Yeah. Literally the transmission jacks we use at work, holding the roof up at the moment. But
Mick from Valley, let us come.
yeah, Mick from Ballinus lent us a couple of aggro props. So thanks, Mick. They work a lot better than the transmission jack. Transmission jack's way easier to manoeuvre though.
Yeah, they are way lighter and way
Those
better.
things are a pain in the ass to twist round, but
Hey, look, that is so solid because Chris is walking on it and it's not bad.
I don't know if you heard Dad, but he said it's so solid because Chris can walk on it without it failing. That'll hold a
Yeah,
ton.
look.
That's a ton right there.
That's butcher right there, a ton.
Rough.
Happens.
Happens on
You're keeping this tap, eh? Yeah?
I will not. I'm not even talking to you.
It's good. You can polish it, man. It's vintage.
Taylor goes, I want to put the mixer taps in. I'm like, no, I can't do that. I'm like, can't do it. She's like, but they're all ripped out of the wall. Doesn't matter. Can't do it. Can't be done.
They're technically not ripped out of the wall.
Not that one is going, man.
No, it's not that. It's staying.
Yeah, it's
I want the vintage tap.
sentimental value.
I would like you.
Dad had that when he was a kid, mate.
If you want the
Don't
vintage
change.
tap, take it and put it in your house.
I don't have a house. Can't afford one.
You've got given a 5-bedroom house by Dad.
Yeah, and a big shed too.
Yeah.
It's my house now. When I sell it, I'm keeping the money.
Honestly, wouldn't surprise me with you.
Sorry, Dad. Not killing off.
Show's over.
Show's over.
Show's over.
Fuck.
But yeah, it's been a lot. So we'll have a few more videos of us doing this shit from now on, probably.
Yeah, Dale's done his 1 week, 2 weekends work. He's not going to be back at it for another 8 months.
I feel like I'm going to be back here a lot more than not.
Yeah, a lot. Once is a lot more than not being here, Dale. So
Why you got to be like that?
I done a lot of slashing today.
You've said that already. Well done,
It was
Chris.
impressive.
Sprayed some weeds as well. He's
Found a
proud of
cow.
himself.
Found a cow.
Found a dead cow. Was not our cow, so it's
Nah,
good, but still dead.
wish it was alive. Could
Yeah.
have kept it.
The bulls don't like you, man. I'm sure the cow wouldn't have.
The cow might be friendly.
There's a white bull over in the paddock just over there. Tries to
physically-
kill Chris every time he goes near it.
Hates me. Kind of sounds like guards when he walks. Guard's only one leg now. He's an angry bull.
You're an idiot.
He's heavy, that guy. Very heavy.
I don't know. You're just as heavy.
Not quite. He's got about 10 kilos on me. I'm still fat. He's getting fatter.
Big.
Big boy.
Oh, he's ready for a coat of paint.
Yeah.
Next thing is we start painting the rooms and the roof.
Probably put some walls on.
I think we'll finish the walls first.
No way. We need to finish the walls before we paint them.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Well, honestly, you are pretty useless. I could see you doing it. How's the wine on the place, bud?
Yeah, the wiring was sketchy as. So let me zoom in. I got zoom now because I got a camera.
Just chill. That's not even the bad one.
That was
Dale
running.
asked me whether it was because of the sun.
I did not
You
say
did?
it was because I said the sun.
Dad, you heard
why-
him say it, didn't he?
The sun's why it's gone all brown.
No, it caught on fire.
It's the other one
It
was
is not
yellow.
caused by the sun.
No, this one is like that yellowy sun fade.
No, it's not.
That one has not been on fire. That's just yellow sun fade.
This one hasn't been on fire.
Look at it. It's just looks like it's been greasy though.
Bit of mold. Right, that's melted up.
That's live too, so be careful with it.
What a pussy.
I don't know much about electricity, we just cut it off.
We just cut it off and we still got power in the house, so. Alright, there's our 10 minutes done. Thanks everyone for watching.
There'll be some live action on that slasher next time.
Yeah, Chris might do a live slash.
Probably not going to do a live slash. She's a slow slash. She's thick down there.
Yeah, if you want to give us a John Deere, like big John Deere tractor to slash.
Dad tagged me in one the other day.
Yeah.
It was 60 grand.
Shit.
Don't need that.
Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you
yous in,
enjoyed the ranch.
The next episode.